more and more cool and useful usage of ChatGPT are coming into the limelight as more and more developers are getting up to speed to it. As we know that ChatGPT is already out there and ChatGPT 4 is only for limited preview, but even as ChatGPT 4 is still yet to be released for general availability, some of the developers have already been able to do some really cool things with it. One of the developers posted on Twitter that he was able to self-heal his Python code by using ChatGPT 4, and he created a tool called as Wolverine, which was able to talk to ChatGPT to make sure that the script runs bug-free. In this video, I'm going to show you a demo from that developer's tweet, and I will also put the link to his tweet in the video's description. Just to recap what ChatGPT 4 is. ChatGPT 4 or GPT-4 is a multimodal AI language model created by OpenAI and was released in March this year. It is available to ChatGPT Plus subscribers and in API form to beta testers. It uses its knowledge about billions of documents, books, and websites scraped from the web to perform text processing tasks such as composition, language translation, and programming. So this developer, who goes by the name of BioBootloader, he used GPT-4 to make Wolverine. It gives your Python script regenerative healing abilities. He says that just run your scripts with it, and when they crash, GPT-4 edits them and explain what went wrong. Even if you have many bugs, it will repeatedly rerun until everything is fixed. And how cool is that? Let's see the demo video. Let me run it, and then we can watch it together. And I will try to give you a running commentary on it. So this is the code which he has written for the Wolverine, and he is going to now edit one of his Python code where he has built a simple calculator with few of the functions, and now he is trying to um, explicitly enter inject some error there. For example, instead of result he is just mentioning res, which is not defined, and then he is also trying to add another error to this code where he is changing the name of the function which doesn't exist, which is a subtract one. He has saved it, and now if you see on the right hand side, he is going to run that Wolverine script by pointing it to the pointing it to that function. So if you see on the right hand side, it is calling Wolverine.py with a buggy script, and then also he is passing it the correct values. um, for the subtract function. So as you see, when he ran it, it got an error, crashed, and now it is talking to the chat GPT. And well, then it's also giving you the explanation why it failed. The variable is not defined. So once that's done, it is also suggesting what changes it is going to make, and it did that. And if you see below, it is for subtract function, it is rerunning it. Once that's done, it is changing it to result. So it also healed it, changes applied, rerunning, and then when it runs next time, it's again giving an error. Now it is again suggesting why it happened, what changes it is proposing, run it again, and then it was able to successfully run it and script ran successfully. So that's how he used ChatGPT to integrate it with his tool Wolverine, which made sure that the code was self-healed. So as you can see, this is awesome. And by the way, the code for this is available on GitHub, and I will put the link there. And the developer says that the technique could be applied to other programming languages. Using Wolverine for now requires having an OpenAI API key for GPT 3.5 or GPT-4, and charges apply for usage. Right now, the GPT 3.5 API is open to anyone with an OpenAI account, but GPT-4 access is still restricted by a waitlist. Recently, several experiments involving GPT-4 in recursive loops, such as AutoGPT, Baby AGI, have attempted to give GPT-4 more agentic abilities that let it spin up more GPT-4 instances, or agents in other words, to perform several tasks simultaneously or even act autonomously. Well, while it is currently a primitive prototype, techniques like Wolverine illustrate a potential future where application may be able to fix their own bugs, even unexpected ones that may emerge after deployment. Of course, the implications, safety, and wisdom of allowing that to happen have not yet fully been explored, and we have yet to see that. Anyway, I hope that you found it interesting and a bit scary at the same time if you're a developer, but I believe that this is for good, and we are really poised for a whole new world there. Thank you.